After months of waiting, Klipper firmware is now available for KP3S. Today we will show you how to use it on the Fluid Pi and the mainsail. It's an official tutorial, please follow the steps. Since it's a third-party firmware and may have some risks, please be aware of it might cause damage or loss of warranty. The following items are required. A Raspberry Pi. We use 3B and 2B. Pi 0 and Orange Pi are also okay. A USB cable. A power adapter. Your Pi needs enough power to support the system. A caliper. First, set up the Pi and the printer. We have two Raspberry Pi here, we set up them both. One for Fluid Pi and one for mainsail. And we are going to use the Fluid Pi for printing. Those two systems are similar, just choose the one you prefer. Alright, let's go ahead. First, go to this GitHub project for the configuration files. Just click code then download zip to get it. Remember to check the configuration reference and modify the files. Everything has been listed and explained clearly. You can modify them even after uploading, or modify it before that. This version is quite clear and powerful, you can use them directly. We also have a modified version on our official website. It should be able to save you some time. Also, you will find more information about the Klipper firmware. If you want to build the firmware by yourself, it will be helpful. Alright, let's show you how to upload. Go to the configuration field, click the plus button to upload your files. So we just deleted those files to show you the full process. Once we reboot the Klipper back to the suspension. That's what you will see when configuration errors are found. So we upload the configuration files. Then reboot the system. Klipper become available. That's it. Let's home all the access to see if everything is good. We suggest to home access one by one, in case the direction's wrong. So the printer home perfectly, Klipper works. Lift the printer head to 120 mm for the next step. Set temperatures to preheat. Load the filament. Then you will need Super Slicer to print fast. It's actually similar to the Prusa Slicer. We will have the profile included in the firmware files. Just install the software, import the profile, and use. If you prefer other software, just use them directly. So we slice a 3D benchy to test. Go to the dashboard, job field, and click plus to upload the prints. Then select the file and click print to start. If you haven't homed the axis yet, do it before this step. So the printer is now preparing for the 3D benchy. It should take some time. Then starts as normal. Alright, everything seems fine. Let's cancel this for the next step. Click cancel, and the print will stop. Then enter a value to lift the printer head. I usually use the value of 120 mm. And the printer head will lift up. So the first layer of the benchy is good. Clean the heat bed for the next print. Next, back to the Klipper documentation, find the pressure advance field. Next, we need to print this subject. You can download it and slice it yourself or download ours. Once you finish printing it, use a caliper to measure it. Find out the length of the best print area. It should be the sharpest corner from the bottom. Accurate pressure advance will help to improve the print quality. So we downloaded it and sliced it with Simplify 3D. Before printing, copy the first code. Then paste it into the console area, then click Send. Then the second code. After that, upload the file and click Print. This print is in the normal speed. And its print setting changes every layer. Here is the print we finished before the video. As the label shows, the length is 20.20 millimeters. The corner becomes different from some point. Measure it in this way. Alright, that's it. Since we already get the value, let's skip it to the next step. Click the Cancel button to stop. Then preheat the printer and lift the printer head to 120 millimeters. Remove the print for the next one. After that, we decide to do the bridge test. As you see, the printer travels quite fast. It's going to take about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let me show you some prints we printed with Klipper. First is a Voron tube which looks good. Next, a bridge test. Quite good, right? Great, the new one is about to finish. It stops and the printer head lifts a little bit. So, here it is. Amazing result in 20 minutes. In Klipper, sometimes you need to home all axis before printing. Finally, we are going to print the 3D benchy. Okay, the printer is now preparing. Once it's ready, the print starts as normal. In the console field, you can see the log of everything. So the 3D benchy is about to finish. It about to take an hour. You can also change the settings to reduce the time. Or you can wait until we update it. So the printing is over. The printer head lifts for removing the object. You're all set. As for us, we preheat it again for the next print. All the files related are available on our website. And we will have the Super Slicer profile keep updating. Remove the prints for another round. So this new 3D benchy looks quite good. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Klipper will be available on KP3S soon. Next, we are going to show you how to enable the Klipper screen. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell, so that you will be notified once we update it. Happy 3D printing. See you in the next video.